In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a filter in CapCut Desktop. If you've applied a filter to your video or image and then changed your mind, don't worry. CapCut Desktop makes it very simple to take that filter back off. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to look on the timeline, how to remove the filter, and how to check that your clip is back to its original appearance. To get started, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the app is open, you can either create a new project or open an existing one, depending on where your clip is saved. If you're starting fresh, just create a new project. If you already have a project with a filtered clip inside it, go ahead and open that instead. Next, import the video or image you want to work with. Bring the file into your project and place it on the timeline if it isn't there already. This is important because the filter you want to remove will be connected to the media clip on the timeline. Now, apply a filter to the clip. This is useful if you want to see how the process works from beginning to end, or if the filter is already there and you simply want to remove it. Once a filter has been added, CapCut Desktop places it on a separate filter track above the media clip on the timeline. That's the key area you'll need to focus on. If you decide you no longer want the filter, look carefully at the timeline and locate that filter track above your video or image clip. It should be clearly visible as its own layer, separate from the main media. Click directly on the filter track to select it. Make sure the filter track itself is highlighted because selecting the media clip alone will not remove the filter. With the filter track selected, press the Delete key on your keyboard. CapCut will then remove the filter track from the timeline. Give it a moment if needed, especially if your project is large or your computer takes a second to update the preview. After that, preview the video in the player window. This step helps you verify that the visual effect is gone and that the clip now appears without the filter. Watch closely and compare the look of the footage before and after removal. Once you confirm that the filter has been successfully removed from the clip, you're done. That's all it takes to remove a filter in CapCut Desktop quickly and cleanly.